Welcome to Tech Talk Reviews. Create a cozy and stylish home without sacrificing space. The best sofas for small spaces combine smart design, comfort, and functionality, making them perfect for apartments, studios, or compact living areas while elevating your decor and maximizing every inch of your room. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. HONBAY Convertible Sectional Sofa. The HONBAY Convertible Sectional Sofa is a smart, space-saving solution for apartments, condos, or small living rooms. Despite its compact 78.5-inch width, it comfortably seats 2 to 3 people and offers a firm yet supportive cushion design that resists sagging over time. Its clean, modern profile complements a variety of decor styles while providing practical flexibility. The chaise can be placed on either the left or right side, and the Ottoman doubles as a footstool or additional seating. This adaptability lets you tailor the sofa to your floor plan or rearrange it when moving. Assembly is refreshingly simple, no tools are required, and it can be fully set up in under 20 minutes, thanks to straightforward instructions. Its lightweight components make it disassembly and transport easy if you relocate. With a weight capacity of 660 pounds, the HONBAY Sectional delivers solid durability for daily use without overwhelming smaller spaces. It's an ideal choice for anyone who wants a stylish, comfortable couch with multifunctional.
Number 2. Benton-Tufted Cushions Loveseat. The Benton-Tufted Cushions Loveseat blends timeless style with practicality, making it an excellent choice for small spaces. Measuring 76.43 inches wide, it seats up to 2 adults comfortably, yet doesn't crowd a room. The grid tufting, subtly rounded arms, and durable polyester upholstery give it a refined, contemporary look that elevates living rooms, studios, or offices. Beneath its chic exterior lies a naturally strong frame wrapped in dense foam and fiber cushions, supporting up to 750 pounds for long-lasting comfort. Cushions are affixed to the frame, which simplifies upkeep and keeps the Loveseat looking neat. Maintenance is easy, just wipe clean with a damp cloth and mild detergent. Another standout feature is its tool-free assembly. All parts and instructions are packed into a single box, enabling straightforward setup in under 20 minutes, even for first-time furniture owners. Combining supportive seating with understated elegance, the Benton Loveseat offers a cozy yet durable centerpiece that's ideal for apartments, guest rooms, or any spot where you want to add comfort without sacrificing floor space.
Number 3. Christopher Knight Home Storage Ottoman. The Christopher Knight Home Storage Ottoman doubles as a functional storage solution and an attractive accent piece, perfect for small living rooms or multi-purpose spaces. Measuring 50 inches long by 20.5 inches wide, it's generously sized to store board games, controllers, blankets, or other living room essentials that might otherwise clutter your coffee table. Its upholstered fabric surface and birchwood legs bring a touch of warmth and texture to your decor, while the neutral beige color coordinates easily with a variety of styles. Beyond its storage capabilities, the Ottoman provides comfortable extra seating for guests, or can serve as a footrest paired with your sofa. Assembly is minimal and straightforward, and the spot-clean fabric simplifies upkeep. This versatility makes it especially valuable in smaller homes, where every piece of furniture should ideally perform multiple functions. Whether used as a coffee table alternative, additional seating, or hidden storage, the Christopher Knight Home Ottoman helps you stay organized while maintaining a clean, stylish look. It's a simple yet effective way to maximize space without compromising comfort or aesthetics.
Number 4. HOMCOM Mid-Century Butto Sofa. The HOMCOM Mid-Century Butto Sofa combines retro-inspired style with practical proportions that fit comfortably into compact living areas. At 80.3 inches wide, it offers ample seating for 3 people or a cozy spot to stretch out alone. Its velvet touch upholstery, tufted back, and 2 incruded cylindrical pillows create an inviting upscale look that enhances any living room, bedroom, or home office. Comfort is a priority here, with a thick seat cushion and supportive backrest for extended lounging. The eye-catching design adds personality to your space while maintaining a manageable footprint that won't overwhelm a small room. It's especially well suited for those who appreciate mid-century aesthetics but need modern reliability and comfort. Whether you're entertaining friends or enjoying quiet downtime, the HOMCOM mid-century Butto sofa delivers a stylish seating option that balances form and function, making it an appealing choice for apartments, studios, or multi-purpose spaces.
Number 5. Hawthorne Slipcovered Convertible Sofa. The Hawthorne Slipcovered Convertible Sofa is a versatile piece designed to meet multiple needs in small spaces. Acting as a lounger, chaise, sofa, and full-size bed, it seamlessly transitions from daytime seating to nighttime sleeping, without compromising style or comfort. Whether you need an extra bed for visitors or a cozy spot to relax during the day, the Hawthorne Convertible Sofa adapts to your lifestyle. Combining practical functionality with clean lines and comfortable materials, it's a smart investment for anyone who wants a single piece of furniture to serve multiple roles without overwhelming limited space. These 5 sofas offer style, comfort, and versatility perfectly suited for compact living. From convertible sectionals to multifunctional ottomans, each piece maximizes space without sacrificing quality or design. Whether you're outfitting an apartment, studio, or guest room, these options deliver smart layouts, easy assembly, and long-lasting comfort, helping you create a cozy, functional home in any small space.